Are we on the edge of a remarkable cryptocurrency rally?
We have insights from renowned analysts ready to enlighten you on the current market.
Plus, learn why Solana could reach $1,000 and Bitcoin's price predictions.
That's right. Our AI-generated insights help you skip the fluff and get straight to the core details.
In today's video, we're kicking off with Crypto Banter's take on Solana's price target.
Let's dive into these insights. You're not going to want to miss these key takeaways.
Let's dive right in. Today's highlighted topic: will Solana reach $1,000 in this market rally?
Absolutely. The discussion unveils key indicators, potential price movements, and altcoin predictions. Buckle up, folks.
What's the core thesis here? What's pushing Solana towards that impressive $1,000 mark?
The essence is simple. If Bitcoin can pass key tests, a bullish October could propel Solana past $1,000, fueled by momentum from altcoins.
Let's unpack the current dynamics. What's happening with Bitcoin?
Last week, Bitcoin spiked to nearly $65,000. In Q4, Bitcoin averages an astonishing 88% return, hinting at enormous potential gains.
And what about those altcoins? How are they doing?
There's significant growth. T-Benz shot up 80%. The momentum in altcoins suggests a broad uplift across the board.
Now, how is SUI fitting into this picture?
SUI's impressive rise of 168% marks it as a serious competitor this cycle, potentially signaling that something big is brewing.
What tests should we watch for, and why are they important?
The upcoming tests for Bitcoin are crucial. If they succeed, it may solidify a strong bullish trend across altcoins.
Let's talk predictions. What does the future hold for Bitcoin?
If momentum continues, Bitcoin might reach $120,000, significantly boosting altcoins along the way.
And what's in store for Solana specifically?
The buzz is promising. Market sentiment could push Solana past $1,000, proving market analysts right in their bold projections.
To summarize, what are the big takeaways?
The signs point to an exhilarating Q4. Solana's potential surges are underpinned by Bitcoin's strength, making this a critical period for investors.
And don't forget, up next, Bitcoin's next target, most bullish season begins.
Featuring insights from Tung on Crypto Banter. You won't want to miss what could be an explosive segment.
Starting off on an exhilarating note, the most bullish season in crypto is upon us, and Bitcoin's soaring towards new heights.
Exactly. George dives right into the surge, highlighting recent price movements and the optimistic outlook for Bitcoin as it rebounds from recent lows.
What's the central theme here? What's driving this bullish sentiment?
The core thesis is that Bitcoin is on track for remarkable growth, propelled by a series of favorable factors, including institutional adoption and anticipated Fed interest rate cuts.
Let's break down that thrilling price action. What's the latest?
Bitcoin's newly reached peak at $60,647 is a clear signal of bullish activity. That's over $10,000 gained from the recent low. Talk about impressive.
What about the Fed's influence on this bullish trend?
Impactful. The Fed's potential rate cuts lower borrowing costs, and right now, market estimates favor both a 50 and 25 basis points cut. That will likely breathe more life into Bitcoin prices.
How are big players shaping the landscape for Bitcoin?
Major players, including BlackRock and MicroStrategy, are pushing institutional interest in Bitcoin upward. The more businesses like these adopt Bitcoin strategies, the brighter the prospects for the market.
Any interesting historical data supporting current predictions?
Absolutely. October has historically been a bullish month for Bitcoin, and with Q4 approaching, there's talk of potential price surges mirroring past halving events. Patterns suggest upward movement.
And how do the upcoming elections factor into this?
Interestingly, presidential candidates are making cryptocurrency a topic of discussion, which could drive prices if they endorse favorable policies. Everything is starting to align.
What predictions do experts have for Bitcoin's future?
Traders are projecting Bitcoin to hit around $85,000 imminently, with some optimistic forecasts reaching up to $120,000 by year-end. Definitely a thrilling ride ahead.
What's the consensus on institutional investment trends?
If Bitcoin breaches key price levels, we could see inflows that overwhelm past records. With institutional capital flooding in, the market dynamics will shift dramatically.
So, what's the takeaway from all this excitement?
The bullish energy surrounding Bitcoin proves that it's here to stay. Between favorable conditions, historical trends, and institutional backing, the stage is set for major upward movement.
Any final thoughts on what to expect moving forward?
As we approach October, historical patterns indicate we're entering a potentially transformative time for Bitcoin, and I wouldn't be surprised if we see significant gains.
Stick around for the next segment where we'll explore deep insights on BTC trends from Nick at Coin Bureau.
The analysis covers everything from price predictions to macroeconomic impacts. You won't want to miss it.
Time to navigate through the currents of today's discussion. What's making waves in the crypto world?
We're diving into significant market movements this week, including federal rate cuts and new ETFs that could change the game. Buckle up.
What's the core thesis here? Why the sudden buzz in the crypto waters?
The main takeaway is that combined market uncertainties surrounding rate cuts and inflation are creating a bullish landscape for cryptocurrencies.
Let's break down that reaction to the Fed cuts. What are experts saying?
Analysts note that the unexpected 50 basis point cut has sparked a surge in crypto investments, signaling positive optimism.
And BlackRock's Bitcoin options. What's the big deal?
This approval opens new avenues for retail investors to engage with Bitcoin, likely boosting overall market liquidity.
Solana's been heating up. What can we expect?
Solana continues to prove its resilience with significant upgrades aimed at enhancing performance and reducing costs.
Looking ahead, what bold predictions are there for the market?
Experts believe Bitcoin could break previous resistance levels, leading to a potential ongoing rally.
And about these ETFs, what's the speculation?
If ETFs continue shaping the landscape, there could be a fundamental shift in how institutional money flows into crypto.
To summarize, what's the final takeaway?
Keeping a pulse on the Fed's monetary policy will be essential for navigating these waters ahead. Expect increased volatility and opportunity.
But don't go anywhere. Up next, we've got insights from Lark Davis on the shocking developments in Bitcoin and crypto.
Trust me, you won't want to miss Lark's takes on the latest trends.
Let's dive right in. Bitcoin is at a critical level, and it's causing quite the stir in the market.
Indeed. The vibes are shifting, and Lark highlights that while the numbers are looking good, we need to figure out if this is the real deal.
So what's the key takeaway regarding Bitcoin's current status?
Lark emphasizes that Bitcoin is at a pivotal point, needing to reclaim the 200-day simple moving average to instigate a bullish trend.
What are those crucial levels that Bitcoin is grappling with right now?
Bitcoin is currently caught between 61,000 and 64,000. Closing above 64,000 could set off a bullish reaction.
What bullish patterns should traders be on the lookout for?
There's excitement around a potential double bottom pattern, which could lead to targets as high as 74,000.
And how is Ethereum faring in comparison?
Ethereum is showing signs of life, reclaiming key moving averages, but it needs to break 2,800 to keep the momentum going.
What does Lark predict for the future of Bitcoin?
There's a strong possibility for Bitcoin's prices to surge in the upcoming months, with March 2025 marked as a crucial peak.
And volatility is part of the game, right?
Absolutely. Lark warns to expect volatility. As always, it's wise to keep your wits about you when trading.
To wrap it up, what are the key takeaways from Lark's insights?
Lark calls for vigilance. Keeping an eye on those critical levels could mean the difference between profits and losses in this volatile market.
But wait, there's more. Our next insightful summary features Ivan Liliakvist's take on Bitcoin's market trends.
You won't want to miss Bitcoin, shocking turn of the market. Plebs will miss this. Stay tuned.
Let's dive right in. The Bitcoin market has taken some shocking turns lately.
Absolutely. With prices fluctuating dramatically, we have a lot to cover, including a bullish outlook for October.
So what's the core thesis behind this sudden market shift?
Basically, despite a downturn earlier in September, Bitcoin has impressively rebounded, positioning it for further gains as October approaches.
What do we know about this market performance?
Bitcoin's price recently jumped from $63,000 to nearly $65,000. It's a clear sign of bullish momentum.
And don't forget, historically, October has been a promising month for crypto. This could just be the start. What are the technical indicators telling us?
The current patterns may signify a bull flag, indicating that Bitcoin could soar to $120,000.
What about market sentiment?
Surprisingly low viewership indicates that we might still be very early in this bull market. Active audience engagement is crucial to push prices further.
What might happen in October?
Considering historical data, we could see significant gains this October if the current momentum holds.
Are there any other trends we should anticipate?
Absolutely. As Bitcoin continues to surge, many investors might seek to diversify their portfolios into promising altcoins like Solana and Ethereum.
So what's the bottom line?
Bitcoin's strong recovery showcases its resilience, and October may just prove to be a pivotal month for the cryptocurrency market.
If you're finding our market insights valuable, make sure to like and subscribe.
Your support helps us deliver even more valuable content to keep you updated on the crypto landscape.
So, looking at all the insights we gathered today, it's clear there's a lot of excitement in the crypto markets.
Absolutely. Ivan Liljeqvist and Lark Davis both pointed to significant potential price targets with Bitcoin and Solana.
And let's not forget the volatility that George Tung mentioned, which can be both good and bad for investors.
Indeed. While Nick emphasizes the bullish trend in crypto, our crypto analyst warns that altcoins might take the lead.
We hope you found this discussion beneficial. If you're ready to navigate these financial waters, don't forget to hit like and subscribe to our channel.
Join us next time for more insights, and make sure you check out our other videos. There's always something valuable to learn.